Build your own potting bench. In this video, we'll cover some of our very favorite potting benches that you can build out of standard materials with basic tools. Our most popular potting bench plan is the Farmhouse potting bench. Now, this is a free plan that you can download through the link in the description. And it builds a very beautiful, sturdy potting bench that is made out of 2x lumber. So this is the potting bench that I'm currently using. What we do is we use these exterior self-tapping screws that don't require any pre-drilling and just a drill to assemble, and you build these 2 leg sets. And then you tie them together with 2x2s on the front and the back. And this creates the basic frame for the potting bench. From there, we can add a back to it. And the bottom slatted boards. The X detailing on the ends adds a lot of structure and beauty, and it also helps contain items inside the bottom shelf. So I'm just using 2x2s, and I scribe in place, meaning I just hold the board up and mark it and then cut on my marked lines. And then just screw from the top, the bottom, and then there is a little bit of a tricky angle screw there. Then the tabletop boards. We actually have a full video on this potting bench, so if you're interested in more detail and specific steps and the cut list, make sure you click the link in the description to check that video out as well. I just gave it all a very quick sanding and then stained it with golden oak. This potting bench turned out so beautiful. It could be used for a variety of different uses. It's been built many, many, many times by users all over the world and painted in many different combinations and customized and loved everywhere. So if you're looking for a potting bench that's easy to build and looks as good as it performs, the Farmhouse potting bench might be the one. Next up, we have the simple potting bench. So this is very similar to the Farmhouse potting bench, but it's a little bit more functional, maybe a little easier to build without the X detailing, and it's a little bit more compact and smaller. But still really great results and a very popular plan. So if you're looking for something a little bit more functional, this might be the one. This potting bench does have free plans, and we've linked those in the description. Next up, we have a collapsible potting bench. Now this was made by a contributor named Lady Goats, and we love this potting bench because you can store it away in the wintertime. It's also such a simple and easy design and something that you could customize for your needs. We love that there's an added sink opening in it. So the base just folds open and you set the top on it. The free plans are linked in the description. Next up, we have what we call the 2x4 potting bench. So another very simple design. You build the 2 leg sets and tie them in together, and then add 1x's on the top. This is a little bit more lightweight, and it's got a taller back on it, which is great for hooking tools and having just a little bit more storage up top. This has been a very popular plan that's built many times by users and modified in many different ways. Next up, we have this gorgeous potting bench table. We love that the legs are sturdy 4x4s. And it's a table on wheels, so you can roll it out and use it as a work surface and then roll it back away. It's very sturdy and well built. This one also comes with free plans that you can find through the link in the description. These are some of our favorite potting benches, but we've got even more. In the link in the description, you'll find 5 additional potting bench plans that you can download for free. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week with a brand new video.